Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting everything the provider will ask for. This saves time and reduces failed attempts. Once you know the exact email or username, make sure your recovery phone or alternate email is reachable. If you enabled two-factor, find your backup codes or authenticator app. Check your account creation date and recent folder names. Providers often ask for these details to prove ownership. By preparing these items first, you streamline the next steps and avoid getting locked out during verification. You now go to the provider's recovery flow and enter the username. Follow prompts carefully. Choose the verification method you can access right now: SMS to your phone, alternative email, or authenticator app. If asked security questions, answer as accurately as possible. If uncertain, provide approximate dates or recent sent email subjects because systems accept close matches. Once a code or link arrives, use it immediately. If recovery fails, note the error messages and move to manual verification options. You finish by creating a strong new password and re-enabling two-factor authentication to protect the account going forward. Once inside, review recovery emails and phone numbers, remove unknown devices, and scan recent activity for unauthorized changes. Make sure account forwarding and filters are correct. If you still can't regain access, use the provider's manual identity verification or support form with copies of ID and account details. Troubleshooting tip: if automatic recovery fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.